Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through a review of CSS Tricks. CSS Tricks is a popular web development site focused on front-end design and development. The site provides numerous tutorials and code snippets on CSS, JavaScript, HTML, and responsive design. Clear explanations and examples make it easy for both beginners and advanced users to understand. One of its standout features is the Almanac, a detailed reference guide for CSS properties. The blog stays current with web trends and features paused for industry experts. Its snippets section provides reusable code solutions for everyday challenges. The design of the site is clean and accessible, supporting quick learning and experimentation. While it is no longer updated as frequently since joining DigitalOcean, its archive remains incredibly valuable. Overall, CSS Tricks is a trusted hub for anyone aiming to sharpen their web development skills. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.